Here we are at the Loves, close to Texas. Our morning routine is to get the coffee, get my Pop-Tart, and get my day started, walk to the truck. I'll do a pre-trip, and then I'll get rolling here. That's a daily routine. There we are, walking to the truck. Look at that beauty. So we're walking right now. We're getting the truck, start up the truck, and do a little quick pre-trip here. I'll show you all. So basically, I hop in the truck. The truck is already running. Put my stuff down. I hit this little button right here. It'll do a little system check. Check the lights. Let's turn that off. All the lights are on.